Good morning. What's up? What's up? Good morning. Happy to have you guys here this morning. It is FOMC day, so going to be extremely mindful of that. But we'll see what we can find here this morning. Let me get the rest of the crew in here and kind of go from there. But appreciate you guys hopping on this morning. It's going to be fun. We'll dive into the charts. Well, first, actually, let's look at the market. Let's look at news. So, obviously, we have FOMC today at 2. They're going to decide on interest rates. Should be exciting, right? Should be exciting that they're going to do that, and hopefully they cut. But we'll see. Probably looking more like a pause, but or continuation of pause. But we'll see. And then we have a couple other news spikes at around 10 Eastern. So something to be mindful of. Again, if you're new here, my name is Zach, head Freedom Team coach. Again, full-time trader. Absolutely loving life. This morning, I was able to woke up around 6, did some emails and some DM responses, and watered the lawn. So super fun morning. But excited to have you guys here and excited to hopefully make some money with y'all this morning. So let's see what we can do. Amazon going to be probably something I avoid. We're gapping up insane today. We had earnings yesterday. They dumped on earnings, but then absolutely crushed free market. So, but probably going to stay away from it. Qs, again, probably something else I'm going to stay away. We are coming down into kind of this 30-minute demand. We touched it yesterday. Technically, we're kind of going through it. So it's looking a little bit top heavy. So I want to see kind of how we play out here, but probably not doing anything on there. Google, again, trend day. I want to be mindful of it. We are gapping up a little bit. Yesterday, I actually took a trade based off of this break here. And I went long to target up to below the supply here. I took that yesterday. Unfortunately, it didn't work. I think the market sentiment kind of pushes down. But if you guys don't subscribe to my newsletter, I actually talked about why I'm buying Google in the newsletter. And I actually did buy some shares around right here. But I'm going to continue to buy, as we come down. But definitely subscribe to that. It's 100% free. I do have a paid section in there, but it's 100% free to subscribe. It's down in the link below. So yeah, feel free to join that there and subscribe. I have one coming out today, actually around 10:30. So 10:30 Central. So be on the lookout for that. Meta was actually a really good chop day yesterday. Could be awesome for the triple N method here today. We'll take a look at that. Definitely want to add that to the watch list for potential long play. Again, it will come down to market sentiment, and it could be choppy due to what's going on, but definitely a possibility to have a good setup. So Meta is going to be one that we look at. While I'm doing this, is there anything specific you guys are looking at? So Meta will be good. Let's look at Apple. Apple was a pretty trendy day yesterday. We are coming down into demand, so look for a reaction there. Look for a bounce. We aren't really doing it in pre-market, so who knows what could happen. It could definitely fail, but definitely something to be on the lookout for potential longs. Again, got to be careful today. It's FOMC, so who knows what's going to happen. But again, I'm looking to get in, get out today. But let's look at SPY. SPY is kind of the same chart as QQQ. Don't love it. Shop, don't really love. Amazon, again, we talked about it. Microsoft, again, don't really love. Microsoft actually would have perfect to play yesterday if you guys were in the live, and Freedom Team is perfect. Just missed it, right? Just a missed opportunity there, but absolutely perfect setup. Had this played out, so it's going to come lower. Unfortunately, just missed an entry, which is okay. But and then Tesla. Let's look at Tesla. Tesla could be a really good short opportunity. Again, I have it marked here. Could be a really awesome potential short. But I would like to see kind of a pullback. So let's look at like a 5-minute chart. So I'd like to see, I'm not targeting past this, but I'd really like to see, I don't think we have a strong high, or do we? You have a strong high there, but this high next to it is not strong, right? It's freaking close. So I'd like to see something like this. Come up, come back down. So around that 50% mark from here, right there at 188.63. Again, I don't know if I'll take this because it's FOMC, but that's what I would want to look for. something like that. So this is definitely going to be on watch, if not today, tomorrow. And let's look at AMD. AMD could be a potential, or we're gapping way down. Oh, never mind. We are coming into demand. But I probably will stay away from that personally. Let's look at IWM. IWM coming into kind of this 2-hour demand right here. Again, could be playable with the lower time frame confirmation there. Don't really want to play triple line. Really, the only thing for triple line is going to be Meta, but this could be a potential long play too. Swings. I don't really have any swings right now. I am in a SPY swing long. It's not looking too hot. I'm not down too much. I'm trying to find the percentage. Well, I don't know. I guess the percentage isn't on here on the web version. I'm down $700, but it's a $4,000 position, so it's not that much. I don't know. But yeah, I got in around right here. No, right here. And my stop's down here. So that's me. I did crush PayPal the other day. Absolutely crushed that. But other than that, not really. I don't really have any swings going as of right now. There's definitely going to be some opportunities, especially if we keep coming down. But all right, y'all. Before we open, is there anything you guys are looking at here today? Potential TLM there. You want to be mindful of supply here. So look to get in on something like this. Like that. What do you think about Sorry, there's like a plant. I figured it was that. Yeah. Are you looking at day or swing? Day or swing, James. Day. So if you're using triple line, could be playable. Triple line. Kind of break above this high and push over. But looking at like a day trade, all right, we have demand right here, right? And it's fresh. We gapped up. Okay, so we have some demand right there. If price, I don't know how to get rid of that. Okay. If price wants to come down into here, right, and react, right, that's going to be extremely bullish. But we want to look for that confirmation piece coming out of demand before we really take anything. Again, if we come down like this and break that high, again, that's also a change in trend. That can be, or a break of structure that could be seen as a possible, TLM trade too. So really, I like long setups here. I don't think I would get short. I think the move happens short already for the day. Now, if we come down and let's just say we hit demand and we don't change trend, we come down and break it again. I think this has a really good opportunity, really solid opportunity to play something like that for shorts. But I don't know if that would happen today. That might turn into like a short-term swing for the rest of the week. But that's what I'm looking at there for sure. Shop is TLM. I think yesterday was trendy. Yeah, yesterday was too trendy. Well, it's just a really wide range. It's not the fact that it was too trendy. Like really from, we kind of ranged all day, but then I would say that range is too wide though. For like, you want to see it like this. That's even too trendy. Like this. To me, I would say bears won this day, right? So you want to look at like, okay, I don't really know if there was a true winner, right? Or, bears or bulls kind of just seem kind of balanced, right? Kind of even, right? A day like this, kind of even day, right? That's a pretty downtrend day, right? Bears won, right? Pretty balanced day, right? Pretty balanced day, right? That's what you want to see. So this, to me, it looks like bears won. So we're pretty balanced in the morning, but then I think bears ended up winning. So I'm going to stay away from shop, and the range is pretty wide. The only one I really like is Meta. See, like Meta, we opened here, Again, bears kind of won into the day, but we still didn't take out low. So wonder if we hit that pre-market. We did come down into it. Interesting. 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 Hello. Hello. If you can for me, before we open, go ahead and like the video. It should be down right below. It should be right here. Oh, that's not what I want. If you can like it for me, I'd greatly appreciate it. I'll show you where it's at. Should be right here. You can like that for me right there. That'd be awesome. I'd really appreciate that. And again, yeah, if you don't subscribe to my newsletter, it's 100% free. Go ahead and join that. I have one coming out today. Again, there is a paid section in there, but you get everything but my buys for free. What's up, Carl? And yeah, if before we hop into it, if you're an individual who's struggling with your trading or wants to really level up your trading, obviously come in here and go ahead and you can watch this on-demand trading. We'll be happy to help you. You can have opt in to book a call, and we have one of our advisors see exactly how we can help you. And if you are not coming from the vault and you're not in the vault, go ahead and join the vault right here. Again, it's our free community. It's our free community where most of you come from. Most of you are there already, but free community in which we have awesome community, 3.4 members, K members. Post your daily report, post questions, post your wins, and just discuss as well. Thank you for whoever just subscribed. I got an email, covers and keys at Gmail. Thank you so much. Appreciate that. Appreciate that. Subscribe there. Awesome. Again, I have one coming out today, so it'll come out in about 2 hours. So perfect. Awesome. Anything else you guys are looking at? Got another one. Appreciate that. James Bader. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, we're rolling now. We're rolling. All right, let's see. Let's get. I'm gonna try to get Tesla ready. This one is gonna be. I feel like we're just gonna dump. Yes, Glenn. I actually just looked at PLTR, but I can definitely pull it back up again. And Ravnol, what are you looking at? Swing or day, or what are you thinking? No, you're good. I'll go back and look at it. I know you probably just joined. No worries. Tesla back on the watch list, baby. Well, I don't know. We'll see. It just looks bearish, right? I've always been playing longs. So, wait, you did just join? Okay, yeah. I'll wait for Ravnol to respond. But I should still have my drawings on there, so I shouldn't have to discuss it too much. Awesome, I don't. So kind of was just looking at for a day, or you said swing. You said swing. I went over it for a day, so this should help people too. So from a swing perspective, we came up into supply way back here. I think it was a 4-hour supply, maybe 2 hours. So if we got 4-hour supply way back here, and we're obviously trending down, right? We're trending down now on a lower time frame. But I would say if we zoom out, we're at that point where these equal highs, right? They're pretty close to equal highs. That's going to look to get swept, right? That's going to look to price is going to want to go there. At least that's what I think. So again, on how to play this, let's say we're looking for a swing. I would want to look for some type of strong low to form. I would love to see us. I think we do have we don't really have any strong low all the way up. I'd really like to see us pull back into this region, right around that $16, and then as we break, that's where I want to trigger, right? So something like this. That's where I want to trigger. Target. You could obviously target all-time highs at that point. If that's that's going to be a longer-term swing, like year. But looking shorter than that, right? I would say lean to the short side, down to this demand, or wait for price to come to demand, have a lower time frame reaction, and play up to below the supply. That's what I would look at. That's exactly what I would look at. And then Roku, day or swing. You can bet. My wife brought me some breakfast. She's a goat. Bearish day or swing, my friend. Oh, we opened. We opened, didn't we? Let's see what Meta can do here. It's really my only TLM I'm looking at. Apple coming into demand. See if we can get a reaction. I'd like to see, it's gonna be a quicker morning, right? I'd like to see a boom, 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 something like that, and then break higher. Tesla ripped. I can't even see. Tesla I'd like to see up in here. So yeah, Ryan, I need up in here to really think about shorts because it's kind of over extended to the downside. IWM would be solid TLM if it wasn't so trendy the day before. So I want to be mindful of that. If we can form some really nice demand, I'll get in like that. Stop below like that. Amazon was pretty trendy yesterday, though. Oh, no, it wasn't. We just had the freaking earnings and big gap up. Yeah. Yeah, but it happened too fast. Let's see if we can get in here. IWM coming up. I was playing this demand bounce, but I would want to see price. I'd really want to see it'd be like more like a swing. I really want to see price break this high. It's like a 5 minute. Yeah. So like hit demand and break that high. And then Apple. Apple's not looking too hot. We also have earnings on Friday. Probably remove. I'm just going to go ahead and remove that. Meta might not make it. And Rabnell, are you looking at like day trade or swing trade? I would say it definitely looks bearish too, but you want to be getting short at highs. So you'd like to see break, pull back. Something like this probably. Oh, 33. Wow, a big swing. Why 33? I wouldn't want to target past this low. If you're looking at it like this, you'd want to see we got a strong high, break, pull back. You want to see something like that. Probably. Or even I guess you could target this low if you wanted, but see what Meta can do here. So I do need a guaranteed stop. So I'd like to see a higher low. Right about right there. Let's see what we can do. Bro, oh my gosh. I'm so sorry. I don't know why I was looking at Roku. I don't know why I was looking at Roku. I am so sorry. IBM for TLM. It kind of rhymes. Yeah, I don't know how spreads are, but it could be solid. You kind of have some supply up here, but no, it looks good. I don't know, dude. Why is it not counting down? I'd be careful with this. Am I not on the right ticker? Or... Yeah. I would be careful. Why is it? I feel like it's going to be slow. You know, I feel like it's just going to be like, remember that one time we did Roku and it was like, it took like 3 days to hit one chipper line rotation. All right. I'm going to be watching Meta here. I do like this stop. I do have a decent R. Like, I'd like a little bit higher. I'd like a little bit higher, truly, but I really like if we could just do this. Like, have a nice, healthy pullback. So I can move my stop up about right there. Because right there, it's a $3 stop. I'd be looking at estimated loss per contract of about $100. So I can move it up. So I can move it up to 3 contracts, maybe 4, if I can move my stop up to 1 point. We get a nice pullback. Yeah, I'd be careful with IBM, bro. Yeah, it's also FOMC day, so yeah, I always watch SPY. It's just I already looked at it. It's not going to be tradable for me today. There's nothing to trade. So like I look at it every day, but I already know. I traded it for freaking 2 years straight every day. So I know exactly what is good. I mean, I don't know exactly what is good, but I have a pretty good idea of today's going to be a good day to trade it. Today's not. And today's not going to be a good day. It's also FOMC. So it's going to be flat all day. And then at 2 o'clock, it's going to rip one direction. And then at 2:30, it's going to go the other direction. It does it every time. Meta's looking good. Meta's looking good. Wish I had a little better of a stop, but I mean, I guess you could technically put your stop like right there. But I feel like I feel like, man, if we could just make a little bit of a low there, be perfect. Meta's looking good, man. Meta's looking solid. Spreads are like $25, so I don't like, but how do I say goodbye? That's what I kind of wanted right there. What are we looking at? Use a little bit more. It'd be fantastic. There we go. Okay. So now, as long as this is our low, we could go a little bit lower. But as soon as we break in here, that's going to trigger for me TLM. So I'm going to go ahead and set an OCO. As long as this stays our low, I'll do 3 contracts. But I'm going to go ahead and set an OCO there. If it doesn't, like if it just goes down, I won't do anything. If it makes a low, like I'm maybe not before I can even get the OCO in. I mean, now I have at least a 1-to-1 there. But let's see. Some pretty aggressive buying. What about AMD? It's coming out of a 2-hour demand, kind of. But you just want to be careful. Like that's catching a falling knife there. Like the only reason it's probably bouncing is because it just dumped. You know what I'm saying? I had it watched on pre-market. So I could take this. I'd really like to see again like a low in this area form, like 492, so I can get a nice 1 to 1.5. Again, I never sacrifice my stop. I can't target higher than that. Let's get it. Let's get it, baby. How do I say goodbye? Yeah, so I'm in meta, by the way. OCO got filled. Let's see what meta can do here. Again, targeting up to here. Should be a solid trade. We'll see. In 2 contracts. I mean, OCO set right at 65. See what happens. Apple volume too low. They have earnings coming up too. So yeah, this is not going to be a demand bounce. It's not looking like a demand bounce. I just want to be careful. Really solid break of structure here. Super solid. Great opportunity for a pullback now. Definitely has some solid potential. Let's see, is that 50%? No, not yet. Definitely solid. Again, we'll see. So if you're wondering like kind of why I took this or why I entered when I did X, Y, and Z, right? Why all those things, again, we teach this exact strategy in our mentorship program. So if you want to learn exactly why, go ahead and book a call. We'll be happy to help. So you can figure out where you are in your trading, see, what's missing and how we can help. Nope. I got the 5-3 calls. Triple line can go as low as 1 DTE on triple line. The spread wasn't bad. The spread wasn't bad. It was like $10 for me. I'm in the 430. I'm in the 435. calls. And then whenever the spread's big, you can also just do a limit at the midpoint too. You typically get filled right away. The Dow, DOW. Yep, absolutely. I'm probably done for the day now. I'm just gonna let that play out for me. And Dow for a swing. What when you swing? Do you do short term swings or do you do like swings? I'll look at it, Josh. Like, do you do like mega swings? Okay, that's all I am too. So perfect. Okay, so let's look at it like I would look at it. So, looking at like a 4 hour, looks like a 2 hour chart possibly. So we're definitely like in a spot where we're in an uptrend. I think in like a daily chart, I would say we are right. We're coming up to make a new high probably. Let's look at it. I like to look for a continuation. So this will become a strong low if we break this high, but you don't really have a lot of room to continue higher there. This if you play for a pullback. So I figured I was like, I've never heard of this. This here? Hold up. PT. Oh, close. Yeah, PT set in, so we're all good. All right. I figured you meant that, bro, but I didn't want to like assume. Okay. This is right? Okay. Apple earnings are Friday, but it's not coming out of demand like this. There's no reaction. It's being really slow, so it tells me that there's not a lot of buyers there. Let's see. So it looks like we came right into this demand and we reacted. That's a good sign, but we didn't really take out any supply with it. We took out supply here, but I'm on indexes. I'm typically a long guy. I don't really like shorting indexes unless if it's like a day trade. But for a swing, I'd rather long. I'd rather wait for a long setup because it's really programmed to be up. Let's go push meta push. So what I'm seeing here is, I would like to see. I think now would be like a fine entry with your stop below here, target up here for a swing. But I'd also, if you want to be like extra careful, wait for like these highs to be taken out right here. That would like solidify. Okay, we are for sure going higher, and then you could enter there with your stop below this because it will be a strong low, or you could potentially wait for a pullback again, target like up to here. That's kind of what I look at, what I'm seeing there. So yeah, hopefully that helps there. A little bit different, but looks like we sold off. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Again, it's FOMC, so you got to be you got to remember that choppy price action. So. Oh, I never looked at Roblox. I gotta look at PFE too. Yeah, I could see continuation lower. Just Boom, 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 boom. Down to 33. Yeah, I like it, man. I think it'd be solid. And then PFE. Oh, there we go. Nice little gap up. Yeah, earnings today. That's right. This morning. Nice. Nice little move higher. Solid. Solid move higher. Got another about another $1 on Meta for target. Super solid there. If you want to look for potential swings now, maybe a good sign. This is actually really cool. Like we have high, low, high, stop hunt, reversal, right? That would solidify a significant change in trend, strong buyers. I would look to potentially, get in a swing here. You might need to wait for a pullback, but I think that's definitely playable. You could also wait for like these highs to be taken out as well, and then a pullback to target 30. Yeah, I like the $30 target. Maybe like the 29.88, 29.90 target a little better, but yeah, I think it's solid. Again, you just have this in the way, so it's best practice to wait for that to be taken out and then hope for a pullback and then take the next move. It's more aggressive to enter now, right? So if we pull back now, we didn't go anywhere, right? We didn't go anywhere. Yeah, you're gonna have to do it 6 years out, but yeah. FOMC could change everything today, so all this could be a bunch of BS if you're watching the recording. But yeah, I'm looking to get out of Meta, hopefully in the next 30 minutes or so, but we'll see. Yeah, because it moves so slow, you want to be mindful of that. But again, like I was saying, just because we took out this high doesn't really change the fact that there's all these highs to be taken out too, right? If we zoom out, this trend never changed, right? We're still in a downtrend, right? So that's just something to be mindful of on stocks like this. When you have an explosive move that does change trend, right? If I want to target 30, I need to see an actual significant high be taken out, which in this case, this one would be fine. Even this one would probably be better, right? So I want to see like, boom, okay, that's an awesome explosive move. Fantastic. That's what I wanted to see. Okay, get a pullback, take the trade, right? As of right now, we haven't really changed trend. See what I'm saying? So. Come on, baby. One more push. Get her done, Meta. Come on. Come on, Zuckerberg. Did it beat earnings again, or is earnings coming up? Yeah, is earnings coming up, or using ChatGPT here? I'm just kidding. I know you're copying and pasting. When do they have earnings? Well, they had earnings like a month ago. Speaking of Slack, I need to click on it and open it. I haven't even looked on there. See you, bro. Appreciate you hopping on. You're out of the country, bro. Where are you at? Yeah, I'm still staying on for a little bit longer, but Radnall's headed out. Trinidad, bro. Nice. What are you doing there? Nice, man. That's so cool. That's awesome. That is awesome. It's freaking awesome. Your favorite cousin. Did he hold a gun to your head to make you type that? Or actually your favorite cousin? I feel like you said that with like no excitement. Hanging with my favorite cousin. Like, I guess I'll just have to hang with my favorite cousin. That's what it sounds like. Awesome. That's awesome. There we go, Meta. Come on. Stop joshing around with us. Hit PT or TP. Come on, baby. Just one fat candle. We got news in 1 minute. It's right where it's marked. It's right where it's marked on there. 433.65, right where it's marked. What struggle, man? What struggle? Let's go. Let's go, baby. That's huge. What struggle? Meta. I love it, man. Awesome trade. That's freaking awesome. I love it. I love it. Let's go. I'm lit. Yeah, spreads may have got me a little bit there. Probably missed out on about $30, but still a good trade. Good freaking trade. I love it. Making a bag on FOMC day. I love it. Again, get out, be done, and chill. Time to chill. Tom, what's up, baby? What's up? Hope you enjoyed. Yeah, we're lit. We're lit over here. Really, I'm not that crazy of a person. I'm just messing around. Feel that a screwed prize. Yeah, mine was a little screwy too. I think I missed out on about $30. But there we go again. Hey-oh. Who took Meta with me? Let's I don't know, freaking like the video. Who liked Meta? Who did Meta with me? Look at that. Oh my gosh, it's ripping now. Who took Meta? Did anyone else take Meta other than Gabriel? I'm freaking lit, bro. That's awesome. Plumpy Plump did. Tanner did. Yes, sir. Who's Plumpy Plump? That's a funny name. Plumpy Plump. Actually, we might get the full rotation again. I always got with force supply though, but you can see. Look at how perfect that original target was though. Look at how we get that immediate reaction, right, from this liquidity right here, from this wick, right? That tells you it's a good target. Plumpy Plump, who who are you? Reveal yourself, Plumpy Plump. Reveal yourself. What is your real identity, Plumpy Plump? Let's go, Judy. Bag. Alert. Let's go, baby. Now I gotta go move my sprinklers. Yay. Plumpy Plump. Oh my gosh, bro. I'm dead at that username. That's so fun. Oh, it's Plumpy Lump. I saying it wrong. It's so funny. Oh, it's so funny. Plumpy Lumpy. Okay. Let me post this to the. Wait, I'll just take a screenshot of my phone. Easier. Awesome win there, man. Feels good. Feels freaking good. Go ahead and like the video up for me. Go ahead and like the video for me if you guys are having off. But I'm in an Apple short. I honestly don't like. I honestly don't mind it. Other than we're at demand, it's hard for me. Like the only reason I wasn't liking it is the fact that we are at demand, but should be solid again. And we also, like, if you zoom out, this looks like a stop hunt to me. Right, but it depends on what you're trading. Again, I don't know what you're trading. So, like, you're a good trader. I trust you. I trust you in your journey. Bang, bang, bang. Nice. Let's win on both sides, baby. Win on both sides. Oh. Why is it not posting? There we go. Let me upload that to the TradeZilla. So Tom, we do lots of things. So Patrick and Gabriel, Electric, Tanner Freeman, those are Kevin Welrich. Those are students inside the program, inside our mentorship program. We do lots of things. Let's look at Google TLM real quick. No, I wouldn't. Trendy day yesterday. I would again, if it's supply and demand, something like that, I think it'd be solid, right? It'd be super solid, but not TLM. So just pick a contract accordingly there, Hess. But Tom, so primarily for TLM, we're gonna use the 1 to the 5 minute chart for kind of that entry and exit. And then for supply and demand, we're going to use a higher time frame for analysis, lower time frame for confirmation and entry. The higher time frame and lower time frame differs for every single trader, and that's why we, on your second one-on-one call, in our mentorship, we're going to break down, okay, this is exactly where you're going to enter, where you're going to exit, which timeframes you're going to use, why, what confirmation you're looking for, risk management rules, and a set of trading rules as well. So we break that all down for you because every single person is a little bit different, right? I may excel on the 1 minute, right? But Patrick may like the 15-minute because it's less noise, right? I can just throw a random example out there, right? So it depends on every single student. And again, our job is to build a machine that we can help you scale it, right? That's our job. So once we build the machine, we help you scale it and you're rocking and rolling. And I would assume majority of the students that are in here with me today love it. And if you do, leave a comment, say, dude, this mentorship is awesome. I love it. It's been fantastic. I'm learning so much, been able to become profitable, X, Y, and Z. That'd be awesome if you guys could just drop that in the chat. Yeah, you bet, Tom. I'm the next. I wish. It's going to take me about 80 years to get there if I'm the next Buffett. 100 years old if I'm rich. Now, he was probably, when did he actually... Let's just do million. At the age of 32, I'm 26 almost. So, maybe so. At the age of 32, so I'm 26. I got 6 years. I got to hit 1 million, and I'm never gonna find a house in Omaha for $31,000. And I don't eat McDonald's every day. It would be, to be frugal, it would literally be cheaper to make food at home. That's not frugal. If you eat out every single day for breakfast, that's not frugal. What? That's like the dumbest statement I've ever read in my life. Is known to be frugal, notoriously frugal. He eats a cheap McDonald's breakfast every single day. What? What? Dude, it costs like $6 for a freaking McGriddle at McDonald's. Like, what's he eating? A hash brown? The two for, I think it's like, I don't even know. Yeah, that's not frugal at all. That is not frugal. Sorry, Yahoo Finance. That's not frugal. But yeah, looking at Google here again, we're just still in this kind of lower time frame downtrend, right? So we want to see that trend break before we really consider longs, right? We're in a higher time frame. Like if we zoomed out, we're in a higher. Yeah, they used to have the dollar menu. Now it's like the $6 menu. The value meal, it's like $6. Like what the? But it's still, yeah, it's really not that cheap. I saw a graphic that over the course of I think the past 15 years or 10 years or something, McDonald's has increased their prices 100%, where like Chipotle and Starbucks haven't increased their prices at all, right? If you remember, for even 5 years ago, you'd be like, oh, I'm not going to get Starbucks because it's $6 to get coffee, right? I'm going to go to McDonald's and get their coffee products for $2, right? Now they're the same price, right? It's crazy. It's crazy. If I find that graphic, I'll post it somewhere, but yeah, dude, 40, that's crazy. $46. You got to get the app though. The app will give you a little bit of a discount here and there, but yeah, McDonald's is good. Like it's fire food, but it has gotten expensive. It's stupid. It's stupid. I mean, I appreciate that you're my friend, Gabriel. I love it. I'd love to be the next Buffett. I guess, yeah, that's true. It's frugal for a billionaire. He could be having his in-house waiters and waitresses bring him, eggs Benedict. Yeah, I guess it is frugal. He probably gets it DoorDashed and he pays like $20 for one sandwich. Probably drinks like a black coffee. He buys the black coffee for like $1. He could just make it home for 20 cents. Yeah, I hope so. That'd be freaking awesome. I'd whip a private jet for sure. I have a friend. He's older, but he owns. I don't know if you guys are familiar with what Crop Scout, like a crop. I'm sorry, not Crop Scouting. This is the name of their company. It's kind of a cool name. Crop Scout, Jordan Air. You in Kansas? I'll just do that. I don't even know if they have a website. Yeah, I don't think they have a website, but Jordan Air Incorporated, they do aeration, right? They do they basically, spray fields, herbicide, pesticide on fields, right? So I've talked to him. I was like, bro, can you teach me how to fly? Like, I would love to fly. Um, but he's awesome. He's an awesome guy. His name's Terry Jordan. But yeah, super cool. They used to be pretty active on socials, but they just crush their business. Like, they don't even need to. Like, that's how it is out here. People are making millions of dollars and they don't even have a freaking website. Like, it's crazy, bro. It's crazy. But no, they hired a newer pilot too. Corey, his name's Corey. But right there, Corey, 2021. But again, like having those connections, like I would love that. I would even freaking pay him just to fly me. Let me buy out a private jet or something. That would be like a dream. It's so cool. Look how low to the ground they are, dude. Crazy, bro. So crazy. Have you guys ever seen something like this before? Like, you guys are probably city people. Like, look how close he is to the ground. He'd find under the power line or right over the power line. Look at that. Boom. Like, literally on the ground. It's crazy, bro. So crazy. Some of the best pilots in the world are crop dusters. That's what they're called, crop duster. It's crazy, man. IWN alert went off. Now we're back into demand. So again, probably not gonna do anything. Probably not doing anything. Medic, nice. Meta was nice. There's Tesla going. I guess I could have taken that. Hindsight, of course, but would have been more like this. Yeah, hindsight, but would have been solid. Yeah, crop dusting. Crazy, bro. Some of the best pilots in the world. Best pilots in the world, man. Next, like I would say probably better would just be people in the Air Force, honestly. Why did that not upload? There it went. All right. Starting off May hot with a $250 win, baby. Starting off May hot. That's what we want to see. True, Kevin. Spot on. It's crazy. It's crazy. Well, hey, I appreciate you guys again to end us off today. Again, go ahead and if you're not in the vault, make sure you join the vault right here. Okay. If you don't follow me on Twitter, go follow me on Twitter. Again, everything's right there. Love you get a follow on Twitter. Be awesome to have your follow you back. Join my newsletter right here. Feel free to join my newsletter. Again, we got one coming out today as well. Again, it's 100% free, and then there's a paid section you can get a free trial to see exactly what I'm buying and why and etc. And my exact portfolio. And then last but not least, right? If you are with me here today, you are not in our mentorship program, and you are wanting to level up in your trading, and you want to become consistently profitable in 8 weeks, watch this training, book a call. We'd be happy to help you out. Other than that, peace, y'all. Appreciate you and all your support. I will talk to you next Wednesday here on YouTube. Other than that, be careful to the rest of the day. I'll talk to you soon. Appreciate the support. See ya.